Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another breakdown video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and also give us a thumbs up. We're going to be breaking down this video, and if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a template that would help you play freely just like this, okay? But anyways, let's get started with the breakdown. Nice. It's in the key of E. All right, so let's listen to the intro again. You must have heard that, many times, I guess. Many ways you can play this. If you're on the sites, I give a thorough explanation on this kind of movement, all right? The link will be in the description box below. But anyways, what he played: E, E flat, F sharp, D, E, A flat, D flat, E, A. Okay, so C, E flat, F sharp. Okay, so the degrees there. All right, so let's move on. Wow. Yeah, so now lost touch from that place. Let me listen to that again. Okay, yeah, so yeah, wow, this kind of movement very fantastic. All right, so what's he doing? Okay, so we have this F sharp, D flat, F sharp. He's playing the 10th, right? Well, I can't reach that, so I just cover that up with my right hand. Yeah, so I have problems playing 10th. Even up to now, my hands are quite small because I have like a small body size. But anyways, so this right hand is A, B, E, B. If your hands can reach the 10th, you can just play that. I'm gonna struggle with that, but anyways, play it like that. So the B goes to A, so then A on the left, and then E, D flat. Yeah, D flat on the left, E, A, E. Okay. Okay, F sharp, D, E, E, B. So far, you hit that D, then you do A, E, and grace F sharp to A flat. Hits the E flat. We have D flat, A, E, A, E. E flat, B, F sharp, B, F sharp. Okay, so wow, let's see that again. I love that. Wow, that was a turning point there. So yeah, yeah. Okay, so he's doing left hand E major triad. Okay, melody goes F sharp, A flat, B, D flat. You change your left hand, E, A, B. So da da do. So D flat, B, E. You go back to E major triad on the left, and then you do grace F sharp, G to A flat. You do that again, but from this point you do da 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 da. So the second part, D flat B, you grace D flat D, E flat, left hand plays B, F sharp B. Then on your right hand, not just this, you do, okay, so I missed that, so then you do D, D flat, B. Okay, so second part. Okay, you come back again. Right, the first part, then you do da 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 da. So A flat, B. You play F sharp major triad on your left, and then your right hand is doing grace. No, I think it's this. A flat to B flat. Then you do A flat, F sharp. Actually, you do that. Da da ba da da. So yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm so rusty on that F sharp pentatonic scale. Okay, so right, and this. So yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Then it does. So D flat A, F sharp to A flat, back to F sharp, G, F sharp. So F sharp E. Okay. And it does B, D flat, E. Okay. Then E major triad. E major. Okay. Ah. Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. Yeah, you could do that. Let's try that. Anyhow. So all right, so we have Okay, and then so D flat A B, you suspend B there on the right, and you do grace F sharp A flat F sharp, G F sharp E, then 2 F sharp D flat F sharp A B E. All right. Yeah. Yeah, you can do that. Da, da, da. So, okay, so anyways, that's it. So he's doing this. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Back to this. Then he does. Da, da, da. Okay, so da, da, da. He goes back again. Okay, so now let me just show you a template. There's a lot of techniques you can learn to master this kind of, soulful, quiet, heavenly, spirit-filled talk music kind of style. You get what I mean? Probably drop tools. Yeah, drop tools essential, right? And I have a tutorial on drop tool on YouTube. I'll drop a link in the description box below, but I think that would help. All right, if you're on the site, what could help again is a source chordal harmony template that I did give. You can see it on the site if you register as a member on the site. All right, but let me give you this drop to template that will work well. You can use something like this. If you watch, I'm just going down the same. And this could come in handy in many songs, something like Hallelujah, Hallelujah, God reigns, right? Hallelujah, God reigns, hallelujah. Or may your struggles keep you near the cross. May your trouble show that you need God. Anyways, so here's the template. We'll go descending and ascending. All right. So you do this. Okay, and then you go here. And then this. 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 And you see now you're back. So maybe started from. So you can master that. You could do something like adding that beat here. So see that? So and then why do I keep making that mistake there? Okay, and with this you can if you watch, sometimes when I'm doing this, I'm not putting the E flat there, so you could make some changes by omitting some notes, right? Maybe yeah, you could just do this. I see I didn't add the A, but it works well. Another thing that will work is your pentatonic scales. Very rusty long I did practice. But anyways, with this, and if you add the drop tools, right, it could work well. Chordal harmony templates. And if possible, please learn the all keys. So you have alright, and what you can do just for add-on is you can change between keys. And then what you want to do is you go to the relative major. Alright, so if you're on D flat, you go up, or let's say a minor third below. So from D flat you move to B flat, from B flat you move to G, from G you move to E, like that. So I'll do on D flats, B flats. Okay. G. From G to E, and that way you can try to master it some keys, or probably 12 keys.